All right, we just sent these sensory fidget stones. These are like a little fun fidget toy to be able to have. I love that it comes in this case. So you are able to pack this in a bag. You can put this in like the car for travel. And it's just something kind of to keep little hands busy. And so it opens up really nicely. And you have some cute pastel colors. We have different textures on each one. And each one is a little bit different. They have different sizes, different textures. One thing I did note on the packaging, it says this is not for mouths. So toddlers that are sticking things in their mouth, I would highly discourage that. But older kids that just really like some tactical sensations and just feeling different things, this is a great little fidget toy. So my daughter likes picking. She is just a picker. And so we got these in the hopes that whenever she feels like she wants to pick, she can just like rub them, and hopefully that will kind of help her hands stay busy, help her mind stay off of picking. And I'm really hopeful that this can help her break that habit. All right, this one is my daughter's favorite. It's a little, there's ridges on both sides. She likes how each of them are different. So the front is different than the back. The front is like the pushed outside and the back is the pushed inside, which is kind of cool. And you have all these different textures to just kind of feel and play. And it's just something nice to do to just keep your hands busy. So they're cute, they're fun, we recommend them.